Put that down. It's a prototype.
Whoa. Oh no! Ah! Oh dear! Ah! 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 Ah!
Fascinating. Are you sure you checked the eigen attenuators? It's inconclusive. Do you know who ate all the donuts?
Stop! No!
Hello?
Oh!
Oh my. Oh no! Excuse me, Gordon.
Ah! Ah!
Do you smell what I smell? Hello? What is that stench?
Ah!
You have any idea what's...
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you.
No!
Ah, it's good to see... Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples under a... What a peculiar...
Ah! Get back!
Are you 100% sure that theory of yours is correct?
Ah! No!
I believe this will make for a notable paper, don't you?
Ah!
Do you know who ate all the donuts?
Ah!
All right. I am rather looking forward to this analysis. How interesting. Just look at that. Shouldn't we try to capture a specimen?
Whoa!
You can't be serious. Hello. Greetings. Donuts. This should help.
No! Please! Ah! 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 No!
Are you insane? Stop attacking. Immediately.
Ah!
Greetings! These crab creatures have a unique parasitic strategy, don't you think? Wouldn't you like to get one of...
Ah! Stop! No! Ah! 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 Stop! No! Ah!
Ah, Freeman, do you smell what I smell? It appears that you need medical attention right away. No. No! You have no idea what is going on. Absolutely not.
No! Stop!
Oh no. Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. It's good to see you. All right. Wouldn't you like to get one of these blood samples?
Whoa, no! Ah!
Oh no.
Ah! 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 Get back! Ah!
Hello, sorry. I'm leaving now.
You want some chips?
Yes.
For God's sake! For God's sake, open the silo door! They're coming for us! It's our only way!
Are you insane? Stop attacking. Immediately.
Ah!
Ah, Freeman. Oh no.
Oh dear! Ah!
Oh my.
My goodness! Oh dear! Ah! No! Ah!
Big day today, Freeman.
Ah!
Oh no.
Whoa! Oh dear! Ah! Oh! Oh!
Oh my. My goodness.
Hello, Freeman. I'm up here.
Oh,
Oh, my God.
ah! Oh, no. Oh.
Please.
Can't hold on much longer.
Are dropping.